Watching TV in your target language is a great way to improve your skills, but finding Portuguese TV shows that also have Portuguese subtitles to help you keep up with what's being said is actually really difficult to find. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can take your Portuguese to the next level without even leaving the sofa. This is part of a new series that I am running on how to learn Portuguese using a range of different content, including free apps, which I showed you last week, through to music and online news and all sorts of other fun stuff. So if you don't want to miss an episode, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. So I can guarantee that you've been looking in the wrong place for this content, okay? Currently there is nothing on Netflix that has both European Portuguese audio and subtitles, okay? There's a ton of brilliant content in Brazilian Portuguese, which I watch a lot and I love and is very, very enjoyable. But if you're looking to train your listening in European Portuguese, this isn't gonna help, okay? So you need to move on from Netflix and instead you need to go to RTP or RTP, which is the national broadcaster in Portugal. So they do create subtitle files for some shows for the hearing impaired. And the way they do this is they make it available on teletext. Yes, I'm old enough to remember teletext, I don't know if you are. So if you see the little 888 symbol when you're watching Portuguese TV in the corner of the screen, it means there are subtitles available. You can go to teletext, that page, and they will show up. But that's a bit old school and not all of you are based in Portugal, so there is another way that we can do this online and I'm going to show you how. The trick is finding which shows actually have subtitles because there's no way to search for that, but I have found something pretty close. So all you need to do is Google RTP teletexto, okay? And then what will come up is legendagem em teletexto right here, so click on that. And this is going to give you a list of all the programs that are showing on TV right now that do have teletext subtitles, okay? So it gives you a list of what's showing today, tomorrow, and afterwards. So let's take an example. Let's go to Horrible Histories, because kids' shows are great for learning. Click on Rever no RTP Play. It will take you to Zigzag if it's a kids' show, because that's the kids' version. So let's go to episode 1. Let's say we want to start from the beginning. And hurrah, here is what we've been looking for. This button here, CC, closed captions, that will activate the subtitles for you. If you click on VTT, exit that, and there we have it. We finally have a show with subtitles. So to show you a couple of things that I've been watching recently, I've been watching Espia. This was shown a couple of months ago. It's a Second World War drama about espionage in Portugal, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it features Daniela Juan, who is an American Portuguese actress. You might recognise her from NCIS. And also the very, very handsome Diogo Morgado.
Como está, Maria João?
Muito bem, obrigada. E o Siegfried?
Aliviado por ver que há mulheres bonitas a dançar neste salão.
I've also been watching Solteira e Boa Rapariga, starring the glorious Lucia Moniz of Love Actually fame. She goes on a date with a new man every episode, and it's pretty silly, pretty predictable, but, you know, it's good to watch.
Não parece, mas eu estou a rir-me por dentro.
I highly recommend choosing something that you enjoy watching. It sounds like a no-brainer, but it makes such a huge difference to keeping you engaged and entertained and actually sticking through the whole program and making this part of your language learning routine. So I, for one, love soap operas and reality TV, and I'm not even sorry. But if you enjoy home improvements, cooking, relationships shows, whatever it is that you like, you can find something in that genre, okay? So tell me in the comments what it is that you like to watch on TV, and I will do another video recommending Portuguese shows in that genre. So keep an eye on that teletext page to see what is showing right now, and for older programmes, the Portugalist blog has done a great list of shows with subtitles, so I recommend checking that one out. I will put a link in the description, so make sure that you go over there and show them some love. They've also given you a step-by-step guide for how to download the subtitle files, so you can print out your own transcript, make notes, use it to highlight new vocabulary, and all that other geeky stuff I love. So let's show you how to do that. Let's say we were watching Solteiro Rapariga and I want to get the subtitle file. So first of all, you need to view the source code. Now I'm on a Mac, so the keyboard shortcut to do that is Command, Option and U. And then this code shows up here. So what I need to do now is find the .vtt file. So I'm going to do that by doing Command F to search and just search for .vtt. And then I can see it showing up here. What I'm looking for is a website that begins with HTTPS, okay? So I'm going to highlight that, copy it, put that in a new browser window. And then you can see what it automatically did is downloaded this VTT file to my computer. So now I can open that, and that's going to open it with something like TextEdit or Notepad or whatever you might have. And then you can see here we have, lo and behold, the subtitles here. So you can copy those, put them into a Word document, play around with them, do whatever you like. So what are you going to be watching then? Let me know in the comments, and if you found other links, other ways to watch Portuguese TV with Portuguese subtitles, then also let me know in the comments. I know that so many of you are eager and desperate to learn this, so if anyone has any more ideas of how this can be done, definitely share them there and help the community. I'll be back next week with more ways to help you learn European Portuguese in a fun and effective way. No dry textbooks in sight. So if you're looking forward to that, then don't forget to subscribe. I can't wait to see you there. If you have more questions, please let me know in the comments. Any ideas you have, you can also let me know there for future videos, and I will make sure that I add them to the list. You can also find me on Instagram and direct message me there with more ideas of what you'd like to see. Ciao for now.